Hey guys, so today we're back in my garage and we have a garage door update. So in the older garage door openers, like the belt drives, they put an insulator in the case to prevent it from vibrating. So what I did is I went to Michael's and I picked up some foam padding with adhesive in the back of it, and I put it in this garage door opener, and I lubricated the garage doors, and I put rail grease inside the trolley, and we're going to compare the two openers between noise difference. So first we're going to open the one that does not have the insulation in it. Let's close this one. All right, let's open the one that has the insulation in it. So I don't know if you guys can hear the noise difference, but this opener is starting to sound like today's chain drives. So if you guys are wondering where to put the foam padding at, you want to put it to the bottom all the way to the top, then on the bottom and the other side, and a little foam strip on the back where the screws are, then same with the other side on the other side of this. So when everything gets screwed back together, everything has foam padding on it and there's no vibrations. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, leave a like, and thank you for watching.